Today I will be doing swatches of the new Urban Decay VICE lipstick and lip glosses. I love their new vegan formula. It is highly pigmented, long-lasting, and ultra creamy and hydrating. They are infused with olive oil and aloe vera, and just with one swipe you'll get a full-blown color look. There are 35 lipstick colors in total, and they come in 3 different finishes, which are matte, cream, and shine. And then their lip glosses are hydrating and lip plumping, so it'll give you that nice pouty lip look. The lip glosses are very hydrating and will offer a beautiful gloss that we all love. Their lip glosses have a sheer to buildable coverage that will give you a really nice shine. The lip glosses also contain hyaluronic acid to help plump your lips and make them look fuller. They also include the ingredients of shea butter and passion fruit oil to hydrate your lips, and they are available in 9 different shades. Before I go through all of my swatches, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Debbie Savage. It's nice to have you here. On this channel, I create videos to help you look and feel beautiful and confident, because with confidence you can achieve anything in life. If this resonates with you, please hit the subscribe button.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kidding. I let my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again.